And how do you get birds to eat birdie mash? How do you introduce this odd, bizarre food? You eat it with them. Yes, you eat it with them. You take a bite. Yum, 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 yum. And you give some to them. Oh, Einstein. Oh, Einstein, come get some. Some Einstein. She was eating it before, but now she's afraid of the camera. But she was eating it. She actually likes this stuff. Puppy. Puppy. Puppy's eating something else. We're going to analyze that situation in a moment. For now, let's feed Einstein. 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 Hey, Einstein. 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 Well, she'll come eat it later after the camera is gone and put away, because she's afraid of the camera.